you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My ears are open, aren't they? Damn.
Yeah, I'm good. A high school fight, a teacher on crutches, and a cop who was about to tell this kid something his own parents couldn't. What you're about to watch isn't just a brawl. It's the moment after, when a police officer sat down and told this young man the truth about exactly what he was facing. And the part nobody saw coming happens at the very end.
Do not go after this child. You will get in the back of a police car if you do. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay.
My ears are open, aren't they? Damn.
Relax, buddy. Here, I'm good.
Tell me what happened.
Basically, we're playing Ultimate Frisbee.
Okay.
The whole time he was kind of shit talking me while on my team. Just continued, had stuff to say. I told him to stop.
Okay.
And I talked shit back.
Okay.
But
Okay.
continued it even after we left. And he was like, yeah, well, we were down a man because Evan's over here
Okay.
playing like shit. And so I hit him in the head. He said, who the fuck do you think you are? I'm like, whatever. And I kept on going. And he kind of swung back until I...
So,
Both y'all talking smack, or he started talking smack first.
Yeah.
You talked back.
Mm-hmm.
He kept going, and then you pushed him in the head.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you punch him or just open hand
It was
push?
an open hand push.
Okay. It's going to be up to his parents. They've already looked at the video footage, and I appreciate you being honest. It was exactly what you said.
Yeah.
But when you make contact with someone like that first, you could be charged with simple battery.
Mm.
We're trying to talk to his parents and see if we can just make nice and everybody smooth it out, and y'all just try to stay away from each other the rest of the semester.
Yeah, I got you.
That's what we're trying to do. Right.
He admitted accountability. Can I see the tape? Like,
That's not,
We can possibly, not today, because we'd have to blur out
They have to edit out other kids.
Yeah.
names, but I'm not going to tell you we couldn't
Yeah.
let you see it.
because who's not to say logic? Kids like to run their mouth, and I'm not going to say he doesn't do that. But
well, I think they both admitted that kind of, but that doesn't excuse that kid from pushing
yeah,
in the face.
no, it doesn't. But I think him taking accountability and really kind of just to save face with Elijah, I don't want to take it that far. Now, if it was to happen again with the same student, yes,
Right.
I would want to press charges. But
Now,
I feel like he defended himself.
just so you know, the school handle consequences, that's separate from the school. So there's going to be school consequences for
Yeah.
the situation. But
Yeah, I think, I know y'all probably can't tell me, but is he a problemsome kid before? Is this like a...
They said it was the first time. They don't
so
even
it's
know
not
each
a
other.
continued
Right.
behavior?
Right.
Yeah.
According to
so-
them, the other one don't even know his name.
Yeah.
I know they're in class together, but
Yeah, so I mean,
it's the first time. I don't know why.
I don't want to put something on somebody. Everybody makes mistakes one time, you learn one time.
Right. I agree.
Second time, then it becomes
Pattern.
a pattern, exactly, and then you keep getting away with it, then you think you can do it, but
Right.
the first time, I feel like maybe the school can handle it.
Yeah.
Save face for Elijah, because I don't want other people to attack him because, oh, well, you put my friend in jail, you know what I'm saying? So that's kind of where I'm standing on it.
Okay. So, Evan, again, you're an adult, so I'm just going to be square with you. Obviously, this part is over with the kid.
But the fight with the other kid wasn't even the biggest problem.
The other problem is that coach being hurt. Okay. So, I'm going to do a report. We're going to get the video footage. And the school is going to, I guess the superintendents are going to look at this and see where they want to go from here. I'm not going to BS you. You may be charged. It wouldn't be with simple battery because that's done.
Yeah.
It would be like disruption of a public school.
Yeah.
It's a minor charge, but it's still a charge. And I'm not saying they're going to do that. I'm saying it is a possibility. So I just want to be upfront with you and don't think I'm trying to hide anything from you or lying to you.
Yeah.
And I hope it doesn't go that way, but it could.
Very welcome, yeah.
So, and I want to tell your dad the same thing. So I'm going to explain this part. Your son, looking at the video, it was him and another student. The student's a juvenile. Technically, he's 17, he's an adult. Now,
How's he an adult if he's 17?
so in Georgia, that's the law. When you're 17, you're an adult, and you could go. If you're charged, you could go to county jail. Yep, 17's that's an adult, considered an adult here in Georgia. So
Okay.
with that,
News to me.
no, yeah, right. Yeah, I know. You would think it would be 18. It's 17. It's 17 years old. So the next thing, according to Eben and the video footage, he made physical contact with the other kid first. Now, that would be simple battery. However, we've talked to the other parents. We've told them that Eben was honest about it. They want to just let the school handle that part. Am I making sense so far? So there would not, as far as your son and the other student, there are no criminal charges as far as that goes.
No criminal charges.
As far as that goes with him and the other student. Here's the problem.
But the teacher is wanting to press charges.
Well, not necessarily. So what they're doing is they're going to go back, look at the footage again, and make a determination if they want to press charges. What it would be, what that would look like if charges were pressed, would be disruption of public school and disorderly conduct. That's what those two charges would be. And I'm not saying that they're going to do that. They're going to go back and look at it and talk about it and look at the whole thing before they make that decision. But as far as the other student, that's done. There's no charges stemming from that fight.
So what started the fight?
I believe it was just they were verbally arguing with each other. And they got heated, and I guess in the heat of the moment, Eben, correct me if I'm wrong, in the heat of the moment y'all were arguing, you pushed him in the face.
Yeah.
So that's where it all starts at. They can sit there and jaw back and forth all they want, but when somebody makes physical contact with somebody else, that's considered simple battery. It'd be the same if it was two people on the street. They get into an argument, one of them gets mad and shoves the other one. Hey, I mean, that, you know, if the other person wants to press charges, they can. That's simple battery.
Okay.
But I'm not trying to talk down. Are you understanding so far? As far as like,
I'm not a derelict person. I can understand.
No, yes, ma'am.
your English.
I understand. So the other, like I said, the other student, there's no charges from that. But as far as the school's concerned, you know, they're going to sit back and, you know, figure out what they want to do from here. So I'm just, you know, being straightforward with you. I've been straightforward with Eben. There may or may not be charges coming from this, from the teacher getting hurt.
How is the teacher?
As far as I know, on crutches right now. That's really all I know. I think it injured his knee. Now, how bad, I really don't know.
Did Evan hit the teacher?
No.
He didn't know. After they had stopped the fight, Shannon, and split them up, the other kid started running his mouth again, and Evan went after him, and at that point, the teacher got knocked down. I think Evan fell on top of him, is that right?
I'm not sure.
From the video, Evan
Yeah.
fell on top of him. So Evan didn't do it on purpose, but it's unfortunate that it happened.
When I explained to your wife, Eben, you know, in Georgia, you're an adult at 17 years old. The other kid's a juvenile. Now, having said that, we've talked to the other kid's parents, and they said, we don't want to press charges. We just want the school to handle that however that looks, discipline-wise.
Right.
So that's cool. That's fine there. The problem, I've told your wife and I told your son, is the coach being injured in the process. So what they're going to do is the superintendent, and I'm assuming the principal, are going to go back. They're going to look at the video footage, take everything into consideration, and decide if the school wants to press charges. What those charges would be is disruption of public school and possibly disorderly conduct. That would be the two charges, if any, that stem from it. It's not up to me. That would be the school's decision. You don't need that. It's just, are you still looking at Coastal Carolina?
Yeah, I got accepted.
Dude,
Congratulations.
Focus on that, like we
Yeah.
talked about last
Yeah.
time. This right here is almost over with, and you could put all this in the rearview mirror and not worry about it again. You got your whole life ahead of you.
Yeah.
I know this sucks right now. It's a hiccup.
Yeah.
That's it.
Too busy thinking in the spur of the moment.
Yeah. Dude, we've all been there.
Yeah.
We've all been there.
I appreciate it.
Yes. Dude, look, Eben, is that yours?
Oh, my headphones? Oh, my phone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Look, man, I'm serious. If you, like I told you last time, you need anything, you come get me.
Yeah.
All right?
Of course.
The other students' parents didn't press charges. That part was done. But the school still had a decision to make about the coach getting hurt. Possible charges: disruption of public school and disorderly conduct. In Georgia, 17 is legally an adult. One argument on a frisbee field, one moment of bad judgment. That's all it took to put a college acceptance at risk. If you're new here, this is what we do. Real footage, real people, real consequences. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.